Hey guys, so I'm gonna give you a very simple solutions when it happens like this kind of error message you see after you closing the SolidWorks. And the error is like the operating system is not presently configured to run these applications. It mainly happen for two reasons: if your like operating system is not up to date, or you're using the Windows Home version. So this kind of error might occur. So I change it to Windows Professionals. And for me it's kind of fixed, but I found a much better solutions without reinstalling your operating system, which is you have to go here. So this is, I'll put this link in the description. So you're gonna come here and download this. So yeah, so this is the Microsoft Access Database Engine 2010 redistributable. So just download that and install it, and then you can try it, and hopefully it won't show you the error message again. If it does, you can always close it by right clicking on the taskbar and go to Task Manager and just in task which you really don't need. So if you find a SolidWorks here, just in task it and that will go. But that's not actually recommended because it will force stop the application. So that's basically it, guys. If this would help you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will be much appreciated. And if still not work, comment below. I'll try my best to help you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.